continuing on with the little bit of tech talk. So, I went to CES and I went to NAB. Before I went to NAB, I was in touch with Insta360. Even met up with them while I was there. Representative there actually watches our show. Hey, Isabel, thank you. And they sent me a camera to try out, and I've tested out their cameras before, and this is their Insta360 X5 camera. I don't know if it'll focus. There it goes. This is their model for this year. The X4, I tried it out last year, wrote a story about it on ZDNET. Well, I did the same. I wrote a quick review about it this time for the X5, and that came out yesterday or so, because this was, I think the same day. February 22nd, just like the other folks. Their embargo lifted, so I couldn't talk about it until yesterday. But this is a 360 camera that allows you to shoot 360 degrees in video or photos, because some people like to do photos. Yeah, full circle. So, think of real estate people, and they want to do virtual tours. This is the kind of camera they can use. Okay. And it'll let you just pan through and all that good stuff. But it gives you up to 8K resolution. I don't necessarily recommend the 8K. I think it looks great in the 5.7K. And it's comfortable. It's freaking waterproof. It has this selfie stick, but if you don't want to use a selfie stick, it's fine. Great build quality. I wrote about said camera over on ZDNet. I will put a link in the show notes to the story here. Checking it out. As I mentioned in this story, my only beef is the stuff that they got the AI tools built into it. And I want to show you all this here, because you can record video and they'll let you do some video editing with AI, and it'll just put something together for you. Sounds good. So I took it to the track meet that I shot, and I wanted to just show like a behind the scenes. And I've done this before, just show a behind the scenes of what it's like as a photographer to go and shoot at a track meet. Put it on my backpack, walked around with it, let it rip. Told the editor to do its thing, and it came up with this, and I can't say I'm too thrilled about it. Can you see that? So it's got me setting up with my cameras, 2 cameras there, headphones, sitting on the ground, and then it decides to take a look at this guy walking around there. Then it decides to take a look at these kids, and it takes a look at these kids going behind me, running up the track. And then I'm trying to grab, right here, I'm trying to grab the camera, because I was like, maybe I should put the camera in front of me. So I put the camera in front of me, and it focuses on the kids coming up the ladder pit, and it jumps back to me with my 2 cameras, thinking, all right, cool, this is a photographer. AI knows this is a photographer. Not one time did it actually show me snapping a photograph. Shows me grabbing the cameras again. This is AI.
But that's what that little doohickey you got right there is.
That's the video. That's the footage that it decided to edit for me.
It does it on its own.
Yeah. That's the footage that it decided.
You don't program it or anything.
No. So, as mentioned in that story of mine, so this thing AI saw that I got 2 cameras. I assume AI is smart enough to know if someone's holding cameras in their hand, they're probably going to take a picture at some point. Okay. That video that I recorded was 6 minutes long. So I was in frame at some point holding the camera up to my face, click, 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 click.
But it didn't come back to you at
that time. Not one time did it decide, okay, I should include this in my video edit. Instead, I'm just going to include walking around. This random guy walking around, a guy with 2 cameras.
And somebody cleaning up.
Yeah, it just, I don't get it. So that's part of my beef with AI. We can't lean on it. Let creators do what we need to do. Let AI do stuff to help speed up a process, but let creators be creative and do our thing. So that's the X5. It's available now. Very nice, other than the AI tool, in my opinion. But the hardware and the image quality and video quality, it looks good. Insta360, they do a really good job when it comes to that stuff, for real.